central Long Island Sound until 8 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Norwalk Islands, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Special Marine warning.
Thunderstorm will be near Petfield Reef around 7:10 p.m. Bridgeport and mouth of the Housatonic River around 7:20 p.m. Stratford Shoal around 7:25 p.m. New Haven Harbor around 7:45 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm